the cops are gonna be hot tonight with this bullshit going on. Holy fuck! Oh my god! There's a fuck ton of people here, bro. I'm parking next to the bikes. Maybe we won't find a spot. Dude. I'm parking right here. This is the most people I've ever seen here. Come here. All the way. All the way. You ready? It's just sitting there. I'm glad we got to go to that. I'll have to bring Steve next time. And Tyler, if he gets his Goldwing fixed. Alright. I'll see you later, buddy. Oh, see ya. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, that'll probably wrap up the video for today. It was good to see those boys again. For the season opener of the car meet that was there. So, glad we could see all those boys. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see y'all in the next one. I didn't really film an intro for this one, so kind of just be random, but peace.